I am Ramesh. Near with me one beautiful fufo birds here. Look on the top of the wings, very beautiful colors of bird, white, brown, very long line nose. How it's catching the insects here. This one now closely to Durga temple around in 8th century temple. This is a very beautiful location. Group of temples in Aihole. Now this is summer season. Where is water? There is this type lot of birds with animals staying. Look, is catching one big insects. Look, he's killing that. Wow, wow. Look, wow. Wow. Now this is very happy. Again searching. Now this bird is not crying, not afraid. Now this bird look like this woodpecker. I think this is not woodpecker. This is hoopoe. Maybe. It's nice. Today this bird getting full food meals. I said one bird again coming. Okay, thanks.